Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 17, that is stars and the solar system. इस वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। Choose the correct answer in questions 1 to 3. It means question number 1 से लेकर के 3 तक MCQ है। So question number 1, which of the following is not a member of the solar system? Option 1, an asteroid. Option 2, a satellite. Option 3, a constellation. Option 4, a comet. Answer will be a constellation. Next question, this is also MCQ. Which of the following is not a planet of the sun? Option 1, Sirius. Option 2, Mercury. Option 3, Saturn. Option 4, Earth. Answer will be Sirius. Next question, this is also MCQ. Phases of the moon occurs because, first option, we can see only that part of the moon which reflects light towards us. Option 2, our distance from the moon keeps changing. Option 3, the shadow of the earth covers only a part of the moon's surface. Option 4, the thickness of the moon's atmosphere is not constant. Answer will be, we can see only that part of the moon which reflects light towards us. Next question, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank, the planet which is farthest from the sun is dash. Answer will be Neptune. Next fill in the blank, the planet which appears reddish in color is dash. Answer will be Mars. Next fill in the blank, a group of stars that appears to form a pattern in the sky is known as a dash. Answer will be constellation. Next fill in the blank, a celestial body that revolves around a planet is known as dash. Answer will be satellite. Next fill in the blank, shooting stars are actually not dash. Answer will be stars. Next fill in the blank, asteroids are found between the orbits of dash and dash. Answer will be Mars and Jupiter. Next question, mark the following statements as true or false. So first statement, Pole Star is a member of the solar system. This statement is true. Next statement, Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. This statement is true. Next statement, Uranus is the farthest planet in the solar system. This statement is false. मैं फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट को करेक्ट करके भी बता रही हूँ क्योंकि कभी कभी एग्जाम में फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट को करेक्ट करके लिखने के लिए कहा जाता है. सो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज नेपच्यून इज द फार्देस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इनसैट इज एन आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, देयर आर 9 planets in the solar system. This statement is false. And correct statement, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Next statement, constellation Orion can be seen only with the telescope. This statement is false. And correct statement, constellation Orion can be seen only with the naked eye. Next question, match atoms in column A with one or more atoms in column B. It means column A के atom को column B के एक या एक से अधिक atom से match करें. So atoms in column A are inner planets, outer planets, constellation, satellite of the earth. In column B, atoms are Saturn, Pole Star, Great Bear, Moon, Earth, Orion, Mars. Now answer, for inner planets, matching atoms are Earth and Mars. For outer planets, matching atom is Saturn. For constellation, matching atoms are Great Bear and Orion. For satellite of the earth, matching atom is Moon. Next question, in which part of the sky can you find Venus if it is visible as an evening star? It means यदि Venus evening star के तौर पर है तो आप इसे sky के किस part में पा सकते हैं? Answer, Venus can be seen in the western sky just after sunset. In this way, it is visible as an evening star. Next question, name the largest planet of the solar system. It means solar system के largest planet का नाम बताएं. Answer, Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Next question, what is a constellation? Name any 2 constellations. It means constellation क्या है? किसी 2 constellations के नाम बताएं. Answer, the stars forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called a constellation. The two constellations are Ursa Major and Orion. Next question. Draw sketches to show the relative positions of prominent stars in first Ursa Major and second Orion. It means उर्सा मेजर और ओरियन में प्रोमिनेंट स्टार्स यानी कि प्रमुख स्टार्स के रिलेटिव पोजीशन को दिखाने के लिए स्केच बनाएं. So you can draw these sketches. For Ursa Major, you can draw this sketch, and for Orion, you can draw this sketch. Now next question, name two objects other than planets which are members of the solar system. It means planets के अलावा दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स का नाम बताइए जो सोलर सिस्टम का मेंबर है. आंसर, asteroids and meteors are the objects other than planets which are members of the solar system. Next question, explain how you can locate the pole star with the help of Ursa Major. It means बताए कि कैसे आप उर्सा मेजर की मदद से पोल स्टार का पता लगा सकते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए यहाँ स्टेप्स दिया हुआ है और यहाँ स्केच बना हुआ है, तो मैं स्टेप्स को स्केच के थ्रू आपको समझाती हूँ. ओके. स्टेप 1, लुक टुवर्ड्स नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ द स्काई एंड आइडेंटिफाई उर्सा मेजर. स्टेप 2, look at the two stars at the end of the Ursa Major. Step 3, imagine a straight line passing through these stars. Step 4, extend these imaginary lines towards the north direction. Step 5, about 5 times the distance between the two stars, this line will lead to pole star. This is the pole star. Okay? आप इस तरह का डायग्राम भी बनाइएगा और साथ में स्टेप्स भी लिखिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू ऑल द स्टार्स इन द स्काई मूव? एक्सप्लेन. इट मीन्स क्या सभी स्टार्स स्काई में मूव करते हैं? एक्सप्लेन करें. आंसर, नो, ऑल द स्टार इन द स्काई डू नॉट मूव. ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ they appear to move from east to west. Pole star does not appear to move because it is situated in the direction of the rotation axis of the earth. Next question, why is the distance between stars expressed in light years? What do you understand by the statement that a star is 8 light years away from the earth? It means स्टार्स के डिस्टेंस को लाइट ईयर से क्यों एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है? एक स्टार अर्थ से 8 लाइट ईयर्स दूर है, इससे आप क्या समझते हैं? आंसर, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्टार्स इज वेरी एक्सट्रीम. वी कांट एक्सप्रेस इट इन किलोमीटर conveniently. Therefore, it is often expressed in light years. 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. If the distance of the star is 8 light years away from the earth, it means that light from that star will take 8 years to reach on the surface of the earth. Since 1 light year equals to 9.467 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 kilometer and speed of light equals to 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second, therefore 8 light years equals to 8 multiplied by 9.467 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 kilometer. And after solving this equals to 7.57 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 kilometer. It means that the star is 7.57 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 kilometer away from the earth. Now next question, the radius of the Jupiter is 11 times the radius of the earth. Calculate the ratio of the volumes of Jupiter and the earth. How many earths can Jupiter accommodate? इट मीन्स जुपिटर का रेडियस अर्थ के रेडियस से 11 टाइम्स ज्यादा है. जुपिटर और अर्थ के वॉल्यूम के रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करें. जुपिटर कितने अर्थ्स को अपने में एकोमोडेट कर सकता है? आंसर, लेट द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ इक्वल्स टू r, देन द रेडियस ऑफ द जुपिटर इक्वल्स टू 11r. वी नो दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ a sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore, the ratio of the volume of Jupiter and the earth equals to volume of the Jupiter upon volume of the earth. Now putting the value, 4/3 pi multiplied by 11 r cube upon 4/3 pi r cube. After solving this equals to 1331 upon 1, or we can write 1331 ratio 1. Thus Jupiter can accommodate 1331 earths on its surface. Now next question, question number 16. This is the last question. Bujo made the following sketch, figure 17.29 of the solar system. this figure. Is the sketch correct? If not, correct it. It means वो जो सोलर सिस्टम का ये स्केच बनाया, क्या ये स्केच सही है? यदि नहीं तो इसे सही करो. So for answer, you can draw this sketch. After sun, you can draw Venus, not Mars. Okay? That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.